Hello guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm going to show you how you can use Trello as a beginner. Now this is extremely simple, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So Trello is a totally free for platform in which you can create teams or just have lists with activities and boards and other stuff. So I'm going to show you how it works. For example, now that I'm on Trello.com, I get 4 templates which I can start with, so I don't have to create my own boards. So let's just select one and show you how it works. So for example, I have this one. Now this is project management template. So for example, you are going to have multiple boards which you can create, delete, or do whatever you want with them. Project resources, options for next meeting, to do, pending, blocked, done, and just a bunch of other stuff. You can add to it, delete them. And within these boards, we have multiple sections. For example, in this template, they've made tips and then other stuff. But you can also have it as a list. You can and to each and every single one of these basic replies and or however you want to call them, you have a description. You can add a checklist to them. You can copy them, share them. Now you can have multiple people in your team, if you want to call it like that. You can add tags to them with certain names. For example, in my case, I use Trello for this YouTube channel in order to basically have a board with the videos that I am going to do, and that the ones that I've done, I label them as completed, in progress, can't do. And you can basically use Trello in order to organize your stuff way better. For example, I'm going to open up another template in order to show you another version of this. Now, as you can see right here, they have it basically labeled with images. And that, once again, they have boards with different tags to basically categorize them: backlog, design, to do. And basically within this one, they are going to basically add the replies or yeah, with the name of the task or chore or whatever it is that you are doing. And you can move them around, delete them, change their name, label them. You can have multiple people have access to them. Basically, it's a great way in order to label to work and to basically give out work to people online. Very clear and really easy to use for everyone. You can label your stuff. Now that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. So I'm going to just show you how you can create a team. So basically you have everything cleared up. So for example, I'm going to add a random name, a team type. I'm going to just select education, a description. Okay, I'm just going to set up a random one. I'll do this later, so I'm not going to invite anyone right now. Boards. So now, as you can see, I have the boards. I can use some templates. For example, I'm going to use this template. And as you can see right here, I have I'm going to create a board from this template, and now I have fully access to it. So I can change the name. As you can see right here, we have tags. We can make add members to them, label them, and within these labels we can add names. We can make a due date, checklist, attachment, cover, move, copy it, watch, make template, archive. You can also add lists. We can just organize a bunch of stuff. Now that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope I cleared up the basics of Trello and what it is and what it does and how you can use it for you as a beginner. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one.